Today I'm going to show you how to change screen resolution on Windows 11. First thing you want to do is right-click on your mouse and press on Display Settings. Now on the Display Resolution option, it's usually best to leave it on the recommended option, but you can always change it if you need to improve your readability and if you need more screen space for other tasks like graphic design or gaming. Now on the Scale section, I like to leave it on the recommended option as well, but you can change as this will change the size of your apps, text, and other items. As you can see, you can add more apps to your desktop by changing the scale size. Now you can change the display orientation from landscape to portrait, to better view documents like emails and photos, and also to reduced eye strain for reading text in vertical formats. As you can see, there are many options and settings that you can adjust. Choose the ones you like and work for you. And that's it, guys. That's how to change screen resolution on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.